Okay, so the last thing we are going to check is a bit tricky. Verifiers shall compare the prospective secrets so that they don't contain repetitive or sequential characters. For example, AAA, 1, 2, 3, 4, ABCD. This is tricky to check because what is repetitive is hard to define. Is 1111 repetitive? Yes, it is. But is 1, 2, 3, 4 repetitive? Well, kind of. Is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 repetitive? Maybe not. To check for repetitiveness can be arbitrarily complex, but here we are only going to do something simple. We are going to flag all passwords that contain 4 or more repetitive characters. So let's flag the users with passwords with greater than or equal to 4 repeats. So flagging the users with passwords users too many repeats. Okay, now is equal to users passwords str dot contains Now let's take a look at the users with too many repeats. Users Now we have implemented all the basic tests for bad passwords suggested by NIST Special Publication 800-63B. What's left is just to flag all bad passwords and maybe to send these to users an email that strongly suggests they should change their passwords. So let's now flag all passwords that are bad. So flagging all passwords that are bad. Okay, now users bad password. Let's now let's now count and print the number of bad passwords. So counting and printing the number of bad passwords. Okay, 424. Let's now look at the first 25 bad passwords. So users, no, sorry, looking at the first 25 bad passwords. So in this project, we have implemented the password checks recommended by the NIST Special Publication 800-63B. It is certainly possible to better implement these checks, for example, by using a longer list of common words. Also note that the NIST checks in no way guarantee that a chosen password is good, just that it's not obviously bad. Apart from the checks we have implemented above, the NIST is also clear. The NIST is also clear with what password rules should not be imposed, like verifiers should not impose other composition rules, for example, requiring mixtures of different character types or prohibiting consecutively repeated characters for memorized secrets. Verifiers should not require memorized secrets to be changed arbitrarily, for example, periodically. So the next time a website or app tells you to include both a number, symbol, and upper or lowercase character in your password, you should send them a copy of NIST Special Publication 800-63B. So let's now enter a password that passes the NIST requirements. Okay, so string a password that passes greedy horse drafts 42 place. Wait, let me also print it. So print Alright, so that's it. I hope that you have learned something valuable. See you guys. Bye bye.